Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of Primal Harvest multivitamins, because apparently, eating an actual vegetable is just too much work for most of us these days. Everyone seems to be popping these daily to ensure they aren't literally crumbling into dust from nutrient deficiency. Primal Harvest has become a popular choice by claiming to deliver a complete mix of vitamins, minerals, and healthy ingredients in just 2 capsules. It's designed for both men and women, which is a relief since, surprisingly, we all share the same basic biological needs. They promise to help with energy, immunity, and brain function, essentially offering to turn your sluggish self into a functioning human being. Inside these capsules, you'll find the usual suspects: vitamins A, C, D, E, and the entire B-complex family, which supposedly helps with everything from skin health to your immune system. They've also tossed in minerals like zinc, magnesium, and selenium for your muscles and bones. But the real special sauce here is the addition of probiotics. While most standard multivitamins ignore your gut, this one includes good bacteria to help with digestion and nutrient absorption. Because nothing says peak performance like a digestive system that finally decides to stop staging a protest after every meal. It's a unique feature that sets it apart from the thousands of other bottles cluttering the supplement aisle. According to the brand, this formula is high quality and free of unnecessary fillers, artificial additives, gluten, dairy, and soy. It's basically the clean-eating version of a pill for people with every dietary restriction known to man. Users generally report feeling more energetic and focused, with some even claiming their skin looks better. A few people with chronic bloating mention their stomachs finally stopped feeling like a balloon. Of course, results vary depending on your lifestyle, because a pill can only do so much if your idea of cardio is just walking to the fridge. Just a friendly reminder, a multivitamin is not a replacement for a balanced diet, no matter how much you wish it were. Supplements work best when you aren't living exclusively on caffeine and regret. Also, taking more than the recommended dose won't turn you into a superhero. It'll likely just give you an expensive stomach ache. While it's generally well tolerated, some might experience mild upset if they take it on an empty stomach. If you have a medical condition, talk to a doctor first, or just wing it if you enjoy living dangerously. Thanks for watching.